Hi guys, it's me, Juha. I'm back here again with the YouTube video. So first and for all, I want to thank all of you sending me messages through TikTok and through Instagram. So thank you for all of that, and it means a lot to me. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I wash and maintain my hair system while doing sports. Well, I'm not showing you the sports part of this video. I'm after sports. So yeah, it's been like 2 to 3 weeks since I properly washed my hair system, so it was time because it was getting matted, and also this is the end result you've seen right now. So it's washed, it's styled with only water, so it looks really good and it will stay good really long time, because using products will mat your hair in eventually. And of course, I need to mention what hair system am I using right now. So this is the flat-injected hair system. So the hair goes flat against your head. So it's not that full looking, but if you want to do like pushed, like forward going hair, this will go great on you. And if you don't like that too full look, because it may look too wiggy sometimes. But yeah, this is just air dried right now. After shower, I just ate and also let my hair air dry, so this is the result after that. And of course it has some waves to it, but usually the hair is a little bit waved. So yeah, I like this so much. I like middle part and a little bit longer hair right now. Hi guys, so I just finished my workout and I'm about to go shower, and I'll need to clean up my base and also wash the hair. I've done videos of doing that, so you could go and check those out. And if you guys wondering what hair system I'm wearing, so I think I'm said that before, but let me remind you. So this is the flat injected base system, skin based system in a color, is it like 6 or 7 ash? No, this is not 7 ash, sorry, this might be 5. Yeah, I think so. So yeah, I'm about to go hit shower. I'm so sweaty and I have my beard on, so let me do that and you'll see how I get the finished look of me looking like me again. So let's go. By the way, I bet you guys want to see how I take this off. So, and the hairline looks still as good as it could be. So fun. But yeah, this is my hair when it's grown out, and also I need to shave those areas off now. But yeah, I'll go and do that now, and you can check those videos from Lordhair's YouTube side, so if you want to know how I do this. But yeah, let's go. A reminder that if you're washing your hair system, please do it in the cold setting, like so. So your hair will be in a much more healthy looking in a longer time, because if you wash it always like with the warm or like with the hot water, it will dry out the system. So prefer cold water. And I've been using these products. My hairstylist recommended these, so yeah. And if you think that you need to buy a lot of hair products to wash your hair system when you're using it, I bought these 2 bottles like, I don't know, like 6 months ago. I think it's been longer than that. So, and they still have product in it. So I use so little product to wash the systems because you don't need that much. But yeah, cold water and conditioner and shampoo, and then you rinse it, and that will do it. And quickly reminder, please wash your brushes and combs, because if you don't, they will have a product residue, so from the leave-in conditioners and stuff, so or gels or hairsprays, so they will help your hair system to get matted if they're dirty. So please wash your brushes and tools. So this is the before, so I've just shaved my head, and yeah, there's like no redness or anything almost at all in my hair, like my crown area. So looking great. Now washing it and then applying it and styling it. So this is it. And once again, I want to wish you a best day wherever you are. And yeah, that's about it. Bye. This was nice. For a long time, this was really nice of doing YouTube video. That's all. Bye.